Good morning, students. Today I am going to continue the chapter Crop Protection and Management. Now it's a time for recap. Last week we are discussing about some few topics: irrigation, methods of irrigation, traditional method, modern method, weeding, then harvesting, method of harvesting, threshing and winnowing. In this chapter, we are going to see about some important topics: storage, seed bank, seed balls, heirloom seed, bioindicator, Krishi Vijayan Kendra, foliar sprays, vermiwash, Panchakavya, and biocontrol methods. The first topic is storage. Storage is an important aspect of post-harvest technology. Therefore, supply of the produce has to be maintained by proper storage. Factors can be controlled by suitable treatment and constant monitoring of warehouses. Control measures need to be taken to ensure grains are stored in an environment which is free from all factors leading to its destruction. Strict cleaning procedures need to be carried out before storing grains. Also, care needs to be taken to check if grains have been dried completely in sunlight and then in shade. Importance of food storage. It is necessary to store food. Storing food is economical to the consequences that can be caused otherwise. Increases the shelf life of a food item. The proper storage enables uniform distribution of produce throughout the year. The food grains are collected in gunny bags and then stored in gudowns. Silos and granaries are used for the storage of grains on large scale. Chemical vapors are sprayed to minimize pest and insect in gudowns. This is called fumigation. The stored grains are inspected from time to time to make sure that they are free from diseases and pests. Now let's see about the next topic is seed bank. A seed bank stores seeds to preserve genetic diversity. Hence, it is a type of gene bank. There are many reasons to store seeds. One is to preserve the genes that plant breeders need to increase yield, disease resistance, trough tolerance, nutritional quality, taste, etc. of crops. Seed banks are like seed libraries that contain valuable information about evolution strategies of plants. The Royal Botanical Gardens, located in Kolkata, first started collecting seeds formally as seed bank. Then Navadanya Seed Bank, a non-governmental organization located in New Delhi, conserve around 50,000 crop varieties with a primary focus on preservation of grain species. The next topic is seed balls. Seed balls are a mixture of soil, compost and plant seeds. These balls are thrown into land areas. Seed balls are prepared by non-government organization and enthusiastic school children to grow tree for ecosystem restoration. The concept of seed ball has potential to increase tree cover and also to improve the awareness among the people about conserving plants. Seed balls, also known as earth balls, consist of a variety of different seeds rolled within a ball of clay, preferably volcanic pyroclastic red clay. Various additives may be included, such as humus or compost. These are placed around the seeds at the center of the ball to provide microbial inoculants. Cotton fibers or liquefied paper are sometimes mixed into the clay in order to strengthen it, or liquefied paper mash coated on the outside to further protect the clay ball during sowing by throwing or in particularly harsh habitats. The next topic is heirloom seed. The term heirloom has increased in popularity in recent years. Heirloom describes a seed's heritage, specifically a documented heritage of being passed down from generation to generation within a family or community. An heirloom variety of vegetable, fruit, or flower must be open pollinated or pollinated by insects, birds, wind, or other natural means and breed true or retain its original traits from one generation to the next. Heirlooms are usually planted in small, isolated communities and they generally offer something of value to the grower. Heirloom seeds are also called organic seeds. These seeds are generally produced from open pollinated plants and they transfer their unique characteristic. Heirloom seeds are harvested, dried, and stored so that one can replant them in the following season. The goal of preserving heirloom seed is to prevent any type of change due to outside influence. Now let's move on to the next topic is bioindicators. A bioindicator is any species or group of species whose function, population or status can reveal the qualitative states of the environment. A biological indicator is also the name given to a process for assessing the sterility of an environment through the use of resistant microorganism strains. Biological indicators can be described as the introduction of a highly resistant microorganisms to a given environment before sterilization. Tests are conducted to measure the effectiveness of the sterilization processes. A biological indicators use highly resistant microorganism. Any sterilization process that renders them inactive will have also killed off more common and weaker pathogens. Now let's see about the next topic is KVK. A Krishi Vijayan Kendra is an agricultural extension center in India. The name means Farm Science Center, usually associated with a local agricultural university. These centers serve as the ultimate link between the Indian Council of Agricultural Research and farmers and aim to apply agricultural research in a practical, localized setting. The first KVK was established in 1974 in Pondicherry. Since then, KVKs have been established in all states and the number continues to grow. The next topic is responsibilities of KVK. Some of the responsibilities are on-farm testing. This allows new technologies to be tested at the local level before being transferred to farmers. Then, frontline demonstration. Due to the KVK's farm and its proximity to nearby villages, it organizes programs to show the new technologies on farmer field. Then, capacity building. In addition to demonstrating new technologies, the KVK also hosts capacity building exercise and workshop to discuss modern farming techniques with groups of farmers. Then the KVKs provide advisory service to the farmers about weather and market pricing through radio and mobile phones. It focuses on crops and cultivation methods. It also facilitates rapport between the institution and the local community. Now let's see about the next topic is foliar sprays. Foliar feeding is a technique of feeding plants by applying liquid fertilizer directly to the leaves. Plants are able to absorb essential elements through their leaves. The absorption takes place through their stomata and also through their epidermis. Transport is usually faster through the stomata, but total absorption may be as great through the epidermis. Plants are also able to absorb nutrients through their bark. Foliar feeding is generally done in the early morning or late evening. The next topic is vermiwash. Vermiwash is rich in dissolved nutrients and amino acids which are easily obtainable for plants. It is a non-toxic and eco-friendly compound which arrests the bacterial growth and forms a protective layer for their survival and growth. It is a collection of excretory product and mucus secretion of earthworms along with micronutrients from the soil organic molecules. Vermiwash is used as a foliar spray for crops. Now let's see about the next topic is Panchakavya. Panchakavya is a promoter with a combination of 5 products obtained from the cow, which includes cow dung, cow urine, milk, curd and ghee. All the 5 products are collectively termed as Panchakavya. Panchakavya has the potential to play the role of promoting growth and providing immunity booster. It can be prepared by the farmers themselves with the materials available on the farm. Panchakavya can be used for seed treatment also. The products of local breed of cow is said to have more potency than the products of exotic breeds. Now let's see about the next topic is biocontrol methods. Biocontrol can be simply defined as the control of growth of an insect or pest by using a biological agent or living organism. This process is also referred to a biological control. Biocontrol is used to get pest-free field. It is very effective and a long-term method to remove invasive plants. The living organisms are used in this method to eradicate weeds, pests, insects, pathogens, etc. The biopredators, biopesticides, biorepellents, and biofertilizers are used for controlling microorganisms which cause damage to the crops, pests, and insects. The next topic is biopredators. These are naturally occurring insects that use pests for feeding or multiplication. By introducing large numbers of predators in a greenhouse, we can destroy the pest. Now let's see about the next topic is biopesticide. Biopesticides are certain types of pesticides that are derived from natural materials like plants bacteria, fungi, and virus, and certain minerals. When used as a component of integrated pest management programs, these biopesticides can greatly decrease the use of conventional pesticides while crop yields remain high. These biopesticides are commercially available but quite difficult to formulate in field conditions. The biopesticides are of different types based on their origin: fungal biopesticide and bacterial biopesticide. The next topic is biofertilizer. Biofertilizers are the substance that contains microbes which helps in promoting the growth of plants and trees by increasing the supply of essential nutrients to the plants. It comprises living organisms which include fungi, blue-green algae, and bacteria. Free-living bacteria live freely in the soil and fix atmospheric nitrogen and make it available to the crops like cereals, millets, fruits, and vegetables. Thank you, children. The first chapter is over. I hope you all understood this chapter. If you have any doubt, please text me. Thank you. Have a nice day.